today.
Hindi naubos mo?
Today we are showing these notebooks. So, it's this.
Basahin mo.
It's
Project.
now.
Project.
Project 1. And this. Like this. 1. Then, and this pencil says it's no
New one.
cassette. It's this. Orange one. And this one eraser. White. Papakita ko dito. And this Snapple pen, it's color red. Look, it's red.
Tapos, video mo yung loob ng lalagyan na ng mga toys.
Okay, and this na
Buka dito.
this is my bag.
Ba't nakawala ang balong din sa kwarto?
Saan muna?
And this
Dito muna.
okay.
May laman na.
And this my pencil case colors and this is na colors to ivory.
Green.
Ivory. This. But I have no brakes. The same, it's shape and sound, and oops, and some this orange, and some dark pink. This shape, that's this, and this is shape, and that's
Okay, okay na.
and I have a new, but it's so many. That's
Okay.
okay.
Mas maganda-ganda ang ipakita mo, baby.
And
Baby, busin
that
yung pansit kanto mo.
it's so little bit.
Gabi na.
But that's okay because that's ito na. Okay, this na notebook. This two notebook book.
Napahirapan niyo kayo na.
It's this. And inside it. This.
Ay, tatayo na lang ako.
Maybe next time to I see na
May writing. Ano yun?
plastic cup.
Plastic cup. What is this?
Baon. This my lunch to my recess. I mean snack time. This red Francis. Some candies and this my colors to relieve it. But that's okay because it's bibili bago. Because I don't know na English. Or buy something. These two ay
Lagay mo
colors.
na to. Lagay mo na to.
Wait lang.
Ayan, Mia, bago ah.
Me.
Lagay mo.
Kala ko mami ka. Tatasahan yan bukas.
Oo, tatasahan na lang bukas.
Dapat na.
Ano ang nangyari at nakawala sa kwarto niya sa balong
May board.
birthday ng balong. Kaya pinalaya.
Maayos ba? Ha?
Maayos pa rin ako mag-ayos. Ay, lalagay mo ba ito sa room mo?
Alin?
Isa lang dadalhin mo?
Hindi.